Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Xbox. Resetting your console can resolve many issues, from performance problems to software glitches. We'll cover the two primary methods: keeping your games and apps or performing a full factory reset. Before we begin, ensure your console is powered on and connected to the internet for a smooth process. First, let's look at resetting your Xbox while keeping your games and apps. This is a great first step for troubleshooting minor issues without losing your installed content. It essentially reinstalls the operating system, often fixing software conflicts or performance slowdowns. Your profiles, saved games, and network settings will all be retained, making it a quicker recovery option. Next, we'll discuss performing a full factory reset. This option completely wipes your console, returning it to the state it was in when you first unboxed it. It's ideal for major issues, selling your console, or starting fresh. Remember, all games, apps, user profiles, and saved data will be deleted, so back up anything important beforehand. To begin either reset, go to your Xbox settings menu, then select System, and finally Console Info. From there, choose Reset Console. You'll then be presented with two options: Reset and keep my games and apps, or Reset and remove everything. Select the option that best suits your needs, and your Xbox will begin the reset process, which may take several minutes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.